Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by halting active data flows. First, open Settings and turn off cloud backups for iCloud or Google Drive. This prevents new log uploads. Then disable Diagnostics, Usage, and Analytics so apps stop recording device events. Once done, enable airplane mode or switch Wi-Fi off to stop immediate outbound logging while you make deeper changes. Make sure to keep the phone powered. You are only cutting data routes, not shutting the device off. These steps stop live logging quickly. Next, you audit every app that can create or send logs. Go through installed apps and flag any with excessive permissions, especially microphone, camera, location, and background data. Revoke those permissions immediately. This prevents future recordings and reduces telemetry. For apps you don't trust, uninstall them or force stop and clear their data. Make sure to check device admin and accessibility lists because some logging tools hide there. Once you trim permissions, the phone will generate far less sensitive activity. Finally, lock down system settings and verify the job. Turn on built-in privacy features like limited ad tracking and app activity controls, and install a reputable firewall or privacy app to block outbound traffic in specific ports. Restart the phone to apply changes and then inspect log files, backup settings, and app activity to confirm no new entries. If you still see logging, run one troubleshooting step. Reboot into safe mode. Remove recently added apps and recheck permissions. This isolates persistent background.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.